The GameBox One console from vrelshop.com is truly one of those rare discoveries that instantly makes you feel like you've stumbled upon something special. A compact, beautifully crafted handheld console that somehow manages to blend the best parts of retro gaming nostalgia with the convenience, smoothness, and reliability of modern hardware, creating an experience so immersive and emotionally satisfying that you can't help but smile every time you power it on. From the moment the package arrived, carefully secured and delivered right on time, the excitement only grew as I unboxed the console and immediately noticed its impressive build quality. The casing feels sturdy yet comfortable to hold for long sessions. The buttons are perfectly responsive with just the right amount of tactile click, and the bright 3.5-inch IPS screen displays every retro game with stunning clarity, rich colors, and crisp details that breathe new life into classics you may not have seen in years. Once powered on, the console welcomes you with a clean, well-organized menu system that makes scrolling through its incredibly massive library of preloaded games so easy and enjoyable. And the library itself is absolutely mind-blowing, containing thousands upon thousands of nostalgic titles from nearly every beloved retro console imaginable, including NES, SNES, Sega Genesis, Game Boy, Game Boy Advance, PlayStation 1, and so many more, each one loading quickly and running smoothly with virtually no lag, freezing, or audio issues, thanks to the device's surprisingly powerful internal hardware and top-tier emulation performance. There is something almost magical about switching from Mario to Sonic, from Pokemon to Tekken, from Donkey Kong to Crash Bandicoot, all within seconds without needing Wi-Fi, accounts, downloads, or complicated settings, just pure, effortless gaming pleasure. And the more you use the GameBox One, the more thoughtful details you notice, like the ability to save and resume your progress instantly, the option to expand your storage via microSD if you want an even larger game collection, the comfortable button layout that makes long gaming sessions feel natural and strain-free, and the truly impressive battery that lasts for many hours on a single charge, making it perfect for long trips, quiet evenings, or simply carrying around anywhere you go to. Enjoy gaming whenever inspiration strikes. What makes this device even better is the peace of mind that comes from buying it through vrelshop.com. Their communication is clear, their shipping process is smooth, their customer support is genuinely helpful, and the included 1-year warranty makes the whole experience feel secure, reliable, and totally worth every penny. The emotional value it brings is almost impossible to describe. It's not just a console, but a portal back to childhood afternoons spent discovering new levels, challenging friends, and getting lost in worlds that felt endless. And the GameBox One revives all of that in a way that feels authentic, warm, and wonderfully refreshing. Whether you're a lifelong gamer wanting to reconnect with those unforgettable classics, a collector who appreciates high-quality retro devices, or someone searching for the perfect gift that brings instant joy and excitement to anyone who receives it, the GameBox One console from vrelshop.com stands out as an exceptional, feature-packed, nostalgia-filled masterpiece that delivers outstanding performance, endless fun, and a level of satisfaction that makes you want to pick it up again and again, without ever getting tired of it.